Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Escape. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855071. Right, before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off is that this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as a blue covering here and under here. You do want to peel that tape off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing we want to mention is you want to attach the mount to the vehicle before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, the first seam we're going to be looking at is this one right here, which is between the soft part of the dash and this harder vent flashing here. So we're going to take our included gap opener. We're going to insert that into the seam just to open it up a little bit. And then we're going to take the upper L-shaped edge here and we're going to insert that into the seam and kind of rotate the ProClip down and then remove the gap opener. And then you're going to take the gap opener and put it into the seam that's down here between this vent flashing and the hard plastic face around the radio. So we just want to open that seam up a little bit. And now, basically, we're going to press the mount down and then up into that seam we just opened. There you go. You can remove the gap opener, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.